Ever feel like designing something cool but don't know where to start? Well, let me tell you about Canva. It's like having a magic wand for design, even if you have zero experience. Stick around because I'm not just showing you how to use it, I'm revealing the top tutorials people are searching for right now. So, what is Canva? Imagine a tool that makes designing anything as easy as dragging and dropping. Social media posts, presentation, business cards, you name it. Canva's got you covered. Plus, the templates are so good they make you look like a pro. First, let's talk about the most popular ways people use Canva. Now, let's open up our Canva right here and let's go to templates. Now, the first one is social media graphics. You're gonna design an eye-catching Instagram post, Facebook banners, and even YouTube thumbnails all in just a few clicks. Now, in order for us to do that, let's search up social media, or you can just click it right here on the left side and social media. As you can see, there's a various lots of templates right here: Instagram posts, stories, reels, Facebook posts, covers, ads, our stories, TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, LinkedIn, animated social, so a lot. So I want you to show you one. Okay, so this one is from the story. So what you're going to do is just edit this one. So you can change the template whatever you want. It really depends on your liking. Now, the second one is presentation. If you need a polished slideshow, Canva has templates for every occasion. Perfect for work or school. So let's check one. Presentation. See right here? We have company review, business proposal, research proposal, and a lot more. So I can just show you one. Let's click right here. And that's gonna be the animation. You just have to change the text, the title. If you want to change the color, you can also change it. And like this. Okay, that's awesome. This one is a pretty good template. Okay, that's it for our presentation. Now, the next thing that we're going to search is marketing materials. From posters to flyers and business cards, Canva is a go-to tool for entrepreneurs and marketers. Now, let's go to templates again. And see right here, we have business. Now, let's search up flyers. And right here, we have flyers for our business. We have here construction. For the construction company, you can just change the heading, the title, the body right here. Just put on your contact information and also add some personal pictures. Like here, they also have this one, project timeline flyer. It's gonna show you like this one. This one's good. Next up is educational content. So teachers and students, you're going to love this. Canva helps you create infographic lesson plans, worksheet, test exams. So let's try and search one. Infographics for students. Okay, there you have it. Assessment and education. Or what you can do is go to templates and go to education. Now, you have the resource type right here. Ready to teach lessons. See, introduction to line, shape, and learn, and pattern. Just don't forget to change the design or the color. It really depends on your liking. So like this. This one is pretty cute for your kids. Flashcards. Okay, and lastly, we have personal projects. Are you planning a wedding or designing a resume? Canva has templates for everything, including invites, t-shirts, and more. So what we're going to do is we're gonna search for maybe I'm gonna attend a wedding this weekend. So I want to search up a wedding invitation just to compare. Okay, wedding invitation. Right here. Just scroll down and see right here. It really depends on your liking. Then, for example, the wedding is beige. And there you have it. You have beige color and maybe blue. See? So, Canva will make things easier for your life or your design. So see right here, Canva has everything that you need. It will make your life easier, especially in designing, for personal project, educational, marketing materials, or whatever you want, maybe a presentation, or for social media. Now, I'll see you on part 2 where I discuss the beginner's guide to Canva, the trending tutorials on Canva, the design techniques, so stay tuned. And that's it for today. I'll see you on part 2 where I discuss the tutorials everyone's searching for. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.